Yeah, we're digging down to the sounds of our smooth programming jazz. So, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Let's kind of get this rocking and rolling. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the music kind of playing in the background. I'm sort of digging it. I'm vibing out to that, but I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it real low. Okay, so you might be able to hear it in the background, but it gives you a little bit of cool programming ambiance. You probably can't hear it, but that's okay. Now, we last left with we got something that looks like this. Yay, shooty, 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 shooty. Bullet stop when it hits that. Bullet stop when it goes off the ground. No, no, run away, run away, run away. Ah, and he dies. Okay, so we got this going. Sorry, I was having a Monty Python moment there for a minute. Okay, let's go back into Object Bullet. Okay, now with Object Bullet, this is actually going to be pretty cool. So, Object Bullet, when it hits the asteroid, bam, see you later, bullet's gone. But it does nothing to the asteroid. I'm going to tell you, that is kind of lame. So, what we want to make sure that we end up doing for this is we need to also destroy the asteroid. Now, do you guys remember, I think it's this, apply to. Now, apply to will apply an action to, like, look, I've got all these other objects, like object, remember, so other, like the other thing. So if I'm the bullet, the thing I collide with is the other thing. And in this case, it is the asteroid. So I'm colliding with the asteroid. But in code, we've got to use something a little bit different. We're going to use something called with, and then we're going to do OTHER. So with other. Now, and you'll notice, like, I always do my open bracket, close brackets, okay? And I'm going to zoom in on this so you guys can see it. Okay, let's make sure, I got to check my stream settings, yay. So with other, bam, we got this. So what we got to end up looking at doing is we are going to destroy the other thing. Instance, destroy. However, lame. This is bad because what this is, it's like super shot. If you got a tiny asteroid, kills it. Medium asteroid, kills it. Giant asteroid, kills it. So it's like a one-shot kill thing. And this is not like the rail gun or anything else like that. So this will destroy what? Wow, I can't spell. R-O-Y, what it hits. Now, what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to go back and we're going to use this really cool thing called an if. We have used that before. Now, do you guys remember what the thing is for the picture that the asteroid is? And here's a hint. It sounds like this, S-P-R-I-T-E, index. So, my sprite index, if that equals SPR, asteroid, huge, I'm going to do something. Okay? And in this case, what I'm going to do, and here I'm going to close this off so we have it. I'm going to repeat the next thing 2 times. And we got to use this. Okay? For those programmers, I know it's like driving you crazy right now. Repeat was horrible. I should be able to use like a for loop or something else. GML doesn't have that, at least at this level. So we're going to repeat this next thing twice. And I'm going to create a new thing, and I'm going to call it new asteroid equals instance. Remember, create layer. I'm going to create it at X, Y, because that's it, like right where it gets destroyed. It's going to create one, and I'm going to create it on the instances layer. And what will I create? I'm going to create an OBJ asteroid. Now here's the problem. When we create an asteroid, it just randomly picks one of those things. Small, medium, or big. We're going to force this new asteroid.sprite index. We're going to make this a sprite asteroid medium. This means if you hit a huge asteroid, it's going to twice create 2 new asteroids, but make them mediums. Oh, wait a sec. one huge, bam, bam, two mediums. However, what happens if, and look, I'm going to copy this whole thing. I'm like being efficient right now. And I'm going to do else if the sprite index isn't huge, but let's say the sprite index is medium. Let's say that you killed a medium. Okay, I'm going to repeat this twice. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to make this small. Now, do I need anything if I hit a small? No, because what's the first thing we do? Bam, we destroy this object. So with this code, and we just got to make sure that we've got like all of our, all of our brackets closed here. Okay, this is going to be your big like chase it. So let's just make sure. With, if, repeat, else if, repeat. Oh, we're looking really good right now, because this is saying if this is true, do this. Else if this is true, do this. Otherwise, we just don't care. So let's double check. We're going to take this. I'm going to kill a... Watch it. Oh, one died. Okay, there's a medium. Two smalls. Two mediums. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is actually looking good. Now I'm creating a giant... Wow, I stink at this. So I'm creating a giant field of small asteroids. So, and then bam, a small asteroid kills me. Right now, this totally takes care of it. Now we gotta make sure that we comment. So we're gonna say if we hit a large asteroid, we want to make two medium ones. Else if we hit a medium asteroid, create two smalls. So right now, we are looking absolutely golden, okay? This allows us to hit what we need to hit. Bam, see you later, we are looking good. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to my Be Right Back screen. You can go backwards, forwards, pause it, take a couple minutes, and rock and roll. We'll get you back out to the wonderful sounds of smooth jazz. There you go. Rock and roll.